Hey, come here.
Oh.
What is that? The Mustang?
The Mustang that's making all that, yeah. So listen to this. Listen to that turbo.